In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get more money here in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, there's three main ways to earn cash, and if you use all of them, you can progress way faster. The main way is going to be with the shop, and this is just one of the few ways. So make your way into the conference room, walk up to the shop, and you can buy currency using Robux in this section. You can also hit the main menu section up at the top, hit store, and you'll see even more stuff just like so. This is once again another way to do this, and of course the code section is also in here, which is actually the next method. So go ahead and go back into the store, go to codes, and if there's any codes available right now, and there's a decent amount of them out right now, like release, for example, which I just used, or big fix 01, use them because each one can give you a solid amount of money. So it's always, a good idea to redeem them before they do expire. And the third way is actually by playing matches. This one seems kind of obvious, right? But if you go ahead and play some matches, you'll go ahead and get money pretty quickly. Just queue into games, win matches, and you'll earn cash over time. This is the best free method and can add up a lot the more you do play. But the best strategy is just to combine everything. Use codes for quick boost, play matches for consistent income, and only use the shop if you want to speed things up and spend some money. But that's the entire process. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And if at any point that this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.